Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Hausla Speaks. I'm Kashmala Aslam, and today we are discussing Chatgpt. Chatgpt is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like text. Its full form is Chat plus GPT equals Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The main goals of Chatgpt include answering questions, writing and editing text, translating languages, generating ideas, assisting in coding, and helping in learning. Here's how Chatgpt works. First, user input is tokenized, then processed through a pre-trained model, followed by a prediction engine, resulting in the generated output. You can earn with Chatgpt through content writing, freelancing, social media, and monetizing work. Other ideas include creating ebooks, selling AI art or prompts, and building AI-based websites or tools. Key connections to Chatgpt include OpenAI, Microsoft, developers, businesses, and users. Chatgpt is available through its website, apps, and is integrated into platforms like Bing Chat. In summary, Chatgpt includes its definition, purpose, working, ways to earn, and connections.